Hi there, I'm JP. I produce and develop interactive media, including video games and mobile apps. I'm also an advisory board member for several gaming companies and organizations. These experiences have helped to prepare me for my current role as program director of Toronto Film School's Video Game Design and Development program. Here, through a hands-on curriculum, you'll soak up everything there is to know about video game design and development in a program that was first of its kind in Canada. You'll become skilled at programming using game engines, applying physics and math concepts, designing, testing, debugging, and more. What you produce here is yours to keep. You own the intellectual property rights to all your work, not us. You can also use your games to showcase your skills on a portfolio, which will help you whip up. And here's what sets us apart. The faculty here are not retired video game designers into a second career as teachers. They are still making games when they're not sharing their knowledge with you. Our faculty have worked for high-profile gaming companies such as Zynga, Ubisoft, Sago Mini, Blizzard, and many more. As a student or graduate, you can participate in special events including game jams and competitions such as Level Up and Ubisoft Next. Sometimes our students win industry awards while they're still in the program. I have to say, as program director, it's moments like these that make me very proud. Are you ready to start your journey to a video game career? I promise you this, it will be an intense 18 months, but you will graduate confident, skilled, and ready. Toronto Film School, think of us as you're into the industry.